What actually happens in your body when you fast? The most common fasting method is called the 16/8 method. This is a type of intermittent fasting that involves eating within an 8-hour window and fasting continuously for 16 hours. The second most common method is the 5/2 method. In this method, you actually eat normally for 5 days and then you reduce your calories for 2 days. There is another form of fasting called the alternate day fasting, which means that you eat every other day or you fast every other day. The final and most intense form of fasting is called the prolonged fasting. This involves fasting for 24 to 36 hours or even more without food. All these methods have their advantages and disadvantages depending on who is involved and the results they are aiming to achieve. What these methods have in common, though, is that they trigger powerful changes in your body's metabolism, hormones, and cellular repair systems. There have been lots of questions about what really happens to your body after continuously going hours without food. So let us delve into that a bit. At about 12 to 24 hours without food, your body runs out of its stored glucose, which we call glycogen. It then switches to burning fat for energy and produces molecules called ketone bodies. An example of ketone body is beta-hydroxybutyrate, which has the capacity to actually fuel your body and your brain. This is called a metabolic switch. Your body shifting from burning glucose to its fat reserves is actually a more efficient and cleaner energy mode. By giving your body a break from constant eating, fasting actually improves insulin sensitivity. This means that your body responds better to insulin. This keeps your blood glucose more stable. This can actually help reduce risk of type 2 diabetes. A research study done in 2023 found that fasting 3 days per week reduced the risk of type 2 diabetes by making your body more insulin sensitive. And for several decades, it has been established that fasting actually lowers your low-density lipoproteins, also known as bad cholesterol. Fasting also reduces your triglycerides and lowers your blood pressure. These changes support healthier hearts and blood vessels. A recent study combining multiple trials in 2025 showed that intermittent fasting led to an average weight loss of approximately 3.7 kilograms, a drop in low-density lipoprotein and the total cholesterol, as well as a slight reduction in diastolic blood pressure of approximately 3 mm mercury. Inside every cell of your body, there are mechanisms for cleaning out damage. This is called autophagy or cellular recycling. Fasting triggers this process and enables your body to remove dysfunctional cell parts and regenerate new ones. This can actually reduce inflammation, help slow down aging, and even help prevent diseases like cancer or Alzheimer's disease. Fasting increases levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This is the protein that supports growth of neurons, strengthens brain connection, and boosts learning and memory. These effects may help protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's disease or even Parkinson's disease. By producing ketones, your brain gets fuel that is considered cleaner and more efficient, and this helps with mental clarity and focus. Fasting influences the ecosystem of microbes in your digestive system. It promotes beneficial bacteria and supports gut barrier health and also helps reduce systemic inflammation. These changes can actually help your immune system work better and may even support overall healing. Fasting activates longevity-related pathways which actually help your cells repair themselves and resist stress. Going beyond 24 hours might actually kick in additional benefits like stronger fat burning or ketosis, intensified autophagy, and even reset your immune system. But in all this, the method of fasting and the duration depends on the capability and the health status of the person involved. Fasting isn't safe or suitable for everyone. Pregnant women or breastfeeding women, as well as growing teens, like some 18-year-old, should totally avoid it. People with eating disorders, hormonal issues, or thyroid problems should avoid it or try something very minimal under medical supervision. It may cause irritability, dizziness, nausea, headaches, or even low energy, especially in the beginning. If you are thinking of fasting, there are a few things that you must take into consideration. You can start gently by delaying breakfast or using a 12-hour fast, like 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. You must stay hydrated by drinking water, tea, electrolytes, or beverages with no added sugar. You must eat balanced meals when you break your fast and include lots of protein, fiber, veggies, and healthy fats. You must listen to your body. And if you feel lightheaded or overly tired, stop and eat immediately. You must avoid extreme fasting durations unless supervised by a trained medical professional. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.